What's up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we'll be diving right back into our RUSTOLEUM custom mix series. That's where we've been taking different RUSTOLEUM colors and shooting pearls, flakes, candies, a little bit of everything over top, in the paint, just doing all sorts of cool stuff, trying to recreate more expensive looking paint effects on a budget, guys. We're all about saving money, learning and having fun on this channel, and diving into the fun world of custom painting. I've got a fender prepped up behind me today, so we'll be continuing along with our Candy Ghost base coats today. We're at purple, guys, so I've got semi-gloss black and I've got gloss gray Rust-Oleum. I'm going to be two-toning the fender behind me with both of those, and then I've got a candy red and a candy blue concentrate. When you combine them together, you get purple, and a really cool eye candy pearl, a ghost pearl called Glimmer Ghost Violet. So I think that's all going to complement everything very well. Obviously, I'll be doing it in the finish one clear today. You can use a mid coat, but we'll be doing this poor man style just to simplify things, keep it easy so everybody can follow along. And we'll be creating a really cool Candy Ghost Purple, well, I guess Candy Ghost Violet, whatever you want to call it, base coat today. And then we'll be taking out the sun seal and what we got. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video. And yeah, let's lay some Rust-Oleum. Alright, guys, so I got the Rust-Oleum tacking up on the fender behind me, and now it's time to get into creating a really cool Candy Ghost Purple using Limelight Candy Blue and Candy Red. Well, blue and red make purple, and you know, candy concentrates don't have a sparkle, so we're going to have to add the sparkle if we're going to make this a really cool Candy Ghost Purple base coat. So I'll be using Glimmer Ghost Violet from My Candy Pigments, a very sparkly ghost pearl in its own right, and we'll be doing everything in finish one clear today, guys, poor man style. This clear is 4-to-1 mix, 4 parts clear, 1 part fast activator. It actually warmed up a little bit today, so I'm getting a little bit luckier with the weather. It's 60 degrees, so very manageable, and even with the fast activator will be good. But as always, guys, I'm gonna bring you guys in close so you can see this mix. Alright, guys, so today we're doing a Candy Ghost Purple. Let's start off with sparkle, that way everybody can follow along. This is Glimmer Ghost Violet from Eye Candy Pigments. As you can see in the package, it's got a nice purple sparkle, but it's a white powder, so this is a white particle based pearl. So outside of the light, you know, it has ghost property effects. It shows up when the light hits it, and then kind of dissipates when the light don't. This is a 5-gram sample bag. I'm going to try to get close to about a gram in there. I ended up doing just over 4 ounces of clear, so that'll be for everybody to kind of follow along. And let's mix this up real quick so we can see what this Glimmer Ghost Violet does. And as you can see, at certain angles, you see them violets come into play. So that's what's going to give us our sparkle. And then the candy concentrates, as you can see in the back, there's blue and red. And if you get tripped up and you're trying to follow along with this, it does have little scales on the back. This one got covered up. Let me see if the red's any better. I think it's a little bit better. There you go. So if we're going to do purple candy, we're going to do even parts of blue and red. So that'll help everybody out tremendously. That's why I recommend these little candies the way I do. So I'm going to start off by drizzling a little bit of both into it. And I'm going to be pretty generous today with this. I want to get a good candy effect. I do want to try and make sure I do just a slight bit more of red than I do of the blue, simply because blue does tend to dominate red very quickly. So, all right, let's do that, and we'll do one more. And I think that's going to be pretty good. So let's start mixing and see what you got. And what's cool about it is you can always go back and add more of one or the other if you deem it necessary. That is a pretty dark looking purple. I think I'm going to have to add a little bit more red just to get it to kind of even out, because I don't want this to be too blue. Like I said, these are just experiments, so you can tweak and adjust it as you see fit. So I'm going to do a little bit more red. I think that purple is really cool, but it's a little dark for me. And let me mix it up real good. Let's see if I can get this to have a little bit more of a red tone, and I think this is going to be all right. Like I said, this is a dark, rich looking color today, so it will have a nice sparkle, as you can see on the edge of the stick. But I'm excited to see what this is going to do, guys. Let's load up the D1 Drizzle paint gun, and let's get to spraying some of this Candy Purple Ghost base coat. Alright guys, now that the Rust-Oleum's tacked up good, we'll be applying some of this custom Candy Ghost Purple base coat that I've created. This is an Intercraft D1 Drizzle paint gun I'll be using today. It's low volume, low pressure. It's got a 1.3 tip and I shoot a 28 psi wide open trigger. Feel free to replicate my settings if you want to. Since this is a custom candy base coat, we'll be doing medium coats, but I want to just do consistent coats until we get a good effect. Probably 2 or 3, maybe even 4, and then we'll take it out in the sun and see what we got. So I'm going to put my mask on and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so today we created a custom Candy Ghost Purple paint job over grape Rust-Oleum and over semi-gloss black Rust-Oleum, and man, does this purple look rich and pop. Over the black is much more subtle, but over that purple, wow, look at that pop. Almost at blue at certain angles. Very, very cool. And then of course the black, man, when the sun hits it, man, very, very cool. So what do you guys think? Wow, this turned out pretty crazy. I've had the absolute worst luck with trying to do candy purple here lately. For some reason, I don't know. But today, I think we did all right. Over that semi-gloss black, man, that black to purple shift out in the sun is just crazy. And then this right here over the grape, it really darkened the grape, gave it the candy effect. And man, just depending on the way the light hits it, it's like a plum crazy purple. I mean, this everything about today's spray out was very, very cool, but that's just my opinion. What I know, right? Your turn, guys. Let me know what you thought in the comments. Rate it 1 through 5, 1 through 10. If you decide you want to spray with Glimmer Goes Violet on your next paint job, it is a beautiful pearl. And I'm an eye candy affiliate, so I can get you a discount. Links will be in the description. At checkout, enter WAW shop on any eye candy stuff, and you get a discount through me. The finished one clear I used today always works great with RUSTOLEUM. The D1 drizzle paint gun lays it out good, and just the candy concentrates, the mask, all that type of stuff, guys, really helps with any paint job. And it's in my Amazon store, guys. Links will be below. As seen on YouTube, you click that link, it'll take you to my store, and you can purchase anything you saw in today's episode. We'll get a small kickback, but it won't cost you guys anything extra. You get it for the same price I get it, and you get the benefits of Prime and everything else Amazon they has to offer. So very, very cool deal there. And if you made it this far in the video, you like these crazy spray outs, the product reviews, the tutorials, we got a paint job coming real soon. You're not going to want to miss it. This is a great opportunity to hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell beside it. That way you get notified every time a new episode drops, because YouTube's all the time doing something funky, and you might just miss an episode you wanted to see. And then you pick it up 2 or 3 weeks later and like, why didn't I see this? Well, your bell wasn't on. So try to ring that bell, guys, if you are subscribed and you want to see every episode. And leave me a quick like and comment, guys. Rate today's spray out. What spray out haven't I done in the 170, 180 plus spray outs that you'd like to see? Leave it in the comments. I read every comment, and I'm always trying to do your guys' spray outs as quickly as I can, or some kind of variation of it, trying to help everybody out so we can all learn together and have fun. That's what this channel is all about. And yeah, the holidays are coming up, so I hope you guys have a really happy holidays this week. And yeah, that's going to be it for me today, guys. I'm John from Whitley All the Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.